Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in and switch accounts in ClickUp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the ClickUp login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type in your password. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Click on your profile icon to open the account options. From the drop-down menu, select Switch Workspace. A list of available workspaces will appear. Choose the workspace you wish to switch to. Click on it, and you will be redirected to that workspace. To log in using a different account, log out first. Click on your profile icon again. This time, select Log Out from the menu. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter the new account's email and password. Click Login to access the new account. You can now switch between different accounts seamlessly. Repeat the account switching process as needed. Make sure to save your login information for quick access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.